Here it is, the new case, the Sama Maxcool W15 LED light micro ATX case. 3 hard drive bays, 2 times 2.5 inch bays, 1 USB 3.0, 180 millimeter CPU cooler can fit in this, 418 millimeter VGA card can fit, 27 millimeter cable management, $40, side panel, 3 fans, 2 bays, and there's the cassette deck player and some speakers, power supply, the motherboard I painted, and somehow they got dirty with little brown spots on it, but oh well, it works too. Somehow we got brown spots on it. And the green graphics card I painted. Alright, I'm going to open this case up and try to install the cassette player, power supply, and see if I can make it work. Alright. I will do a little unboxing right quick, show you what the case looks like in person. Here it is, unpacked. Magnet air filters from top and bottom for the CPU thing, power supply. Got a film cover, I'm going to keep that on there until I get done. It's white, and you also have black, but I like the white. Sama. And this pops off. Plastic front, aluminum body, thumb screw, side panel. Looks nice. $40. Shipping, plus shipping. Micro ATX. Even got a fan controller right here, also SD card reader. Okay, let's see if I can open those up with one hand. And oh, the little things already added. The stands off. I'll put this in the box for right now. Don't get it scratched up. Not bad for $40. Cover up your power supply, plus the drive bays are down here. Your mountings for your 5.5 4-inch bays, DVD burners, whatever you want to install in there. Oh yeah, there's the screw bag behind there. Okay, I'm going to get to work now and try and install most of the stuff. I will see you guys later. Bye. Okay, there's the speakers, 5-inch speakers. They're full range. Got zip tied them in. It worked out really well. That's how that looked. And they will fit behind the grill. Alright, more to come. See you guys later.